Welcome back to Neetha's Indulgences. Today's is a special breakfast. Can't be called special, but this is something which I really go back to whenever I feel like having something delicious. So this is Chicken Chaaps curry. So the combination for this dish is something special or which is very unlikely. I'll show you at the last. So what are we waiting for? Let's crack on with it. Today I'm making chicken chops curry. Wonder what that is, right? Even I don't know, but I have just given a very nice name. Let's take a look at the ingredients now. For this recipe, I've taken some chicken pieces. We have onions, coriander powder, pepper powder, garam masala, fennel powder, turmeric, green chilies, mustard, vinegar, salt, garlic, ginger, coconut milk, and for tempering we have shallots and curry leaves. So let's start our chicken chops curry. Firstly, coconut oil. Nice. Okay, the oil is hot. Now add 2 sliced onions. Add a teaspoon of ginger, sliced ginger. Add a tablespoon of sliced garlic. This is roughly about 3 to 4 green chilies. You can reduce spice. Okay, so
as per your like.
As per your like. Okay, our onion, ginger and garlic are nicely sauteed. Now time to add some powders. I'm adding in 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2½ heaped teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of fennel powder, which is perinjeeragam, freshly made garam masala. Saute all these powders.
Don't burn the powders.
And of course, don't burn the powders. Good job, Vignesh. I've taught you well. 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Add some salt. Time to add 500 grams of chicken. Let's sprinkle some water. So I have coated the chicken with the powders. Now I'll add 1 cup of thin coconut milk. Now I'm adding in half a teaspoon of pepper powder. Let's cook this chicken in this coconut milk. Now I'm going to cover this chicken and let's cook this baby. Wow, our chicken and the coconut gravy is all coming together. This looks delicious already. Let's wait for like few more minutes and then we'll be okay. So our chicken has nicely dried up. Now we will add thick coconut milk. I'm using Tetra Pak. You can use homemade coconut milk as well. Let me check the seasoning. A little more salt is required. I'm adding in some more pepper and a little bit of garam masala. So our gravy, our chicken chaps is ready. This is why it's called chaps, because it's that thick, creamy gravy. Mouth is watering. And I'm going to do a nice tadka for this to add more flavor. For the tempering, let's add coconut oil, add mustard seeds, add some shallots or cherry ulli and curry leaves. So here's the unlikely combo, soft idli and chaps. Now many of you will think, oh, this gravy is so dried up, but this is the actual consistency that you should eat this with. Okay? Vignesh, shall I take your favorite piece? No. Okay. That's a no for me. So I'll take my favorite piece, which is this. Idli and chicken curry is normally a combination that many of the restaurants in Chennai has. But this is something which I really wanted to try. So let's see if the combination works. Why not? Okay, that's my lovely breakfast. I am going to enjoy this. See you in the next episode. And if you like this chicken chops curry, then do let me know in the comment section. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.